Hey, are you the DIY type or just like to learn how things work? Well, for a limited time, we're giving away a free no BS DIY guide to handling an auto accident case. Just click the link in the description to get your copy today. Now back to the video. Hello everyone. If you want to recover damages after a car crash, then keep watching. Don't get stuck wondering how you will cover medical bills, property damage, and lost wages out of pocket. We have 6 steps for you to take when filing an auto accident lawsuit that will help you fight for the compensation you deserve. But before we begin, if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you're notified when we post new content. Now let's begin. Number 1, find an auto accident lawyer. Before learning how to file an auto accident lawsuit alone, consider consulting a lawyer. An experienced lawyer will help you review your legal options. Plus, they can help you make a more informed choice moving forward. Not to mention, hiring a lawyer will also help you avoid making costly mistakes. Number 2, file a complaint. As a plaintiff, you'll need to file a complaint with the court. The complaint is a document with numbered paragraphs that outline what happened on the day of the car accident, the claimed damages, and your legal basis for bringing the lawsuit. Once you've filed the complaint, the lawsuit will officially begin. Number 3, serve the complaint. Now that your complaint has been filed, it will need to be served to the defendant, so they are aware they are subject to a legal proceeding. This process is also called a summons. It's important to note that there are special rules involved regarding serving the defendant, like who can serve the complaint, when to serve the complaint, and how the complaint is served. These rules can vary based on jurisdiction too. In most cases, the plaintiff has 30 days to serve the defendant. If the defendant is difficult to track down, the deadline can get extended. Number 4, the defendant answers. After the defendant receives the summons, they have a chance to respond to the complaint. They can either admit or deny the factual allegations outlined within the complaint. Number 5, the discovery. This begins after the defendant answers the summons. The discovery is a process that allows both parties to exchange information relevant to the case. It's also an opportunity to uncover evidence that can support the claim. During the discovery, each side gets a chance to gather information they need to plan their side of the case. If you hire a lawyer, they will gather the evidence and build their argument. Number 6, the trial. Once the discovery process is complete, the trial can start. This is when each side will use the information they gather to present a case in court. They will question each other's witnesses. Finally, both parties will make their closing statements. After, the jury will deliberate and reach a verdict. However, if it's a bench trial, the judge will deliberate alone. Either the judge or jury will find a verdict either in favor of the plaintiff or defendant. Then, they'll enter a judgment. If the judgment is in favor of the plaintiff, the defendant will need to pay damages in a certain dollar amount. Those are the basic steps you would need to take when filing an auto accident lawsuit. But it's important to note that each case is different and sometimes additional steps are involved. Learning how to file an auto accident lawsuit doesn't have to feel stressful. Reduce the stress of the process and consult a car accident lawyer. They can lead you every step of the way. With their help, you can fight for the compensation you deserve. If you have been injured in an accident, don't try to handle it on your own. Let an auto accident attorney help you. If you have more questions or you need help with your auto accident case, call us today. Our consultations are always free.